Hello friends, I'm Jay Rishikesh from Rishi Apps YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create your own chatting app with thunkable and Firebase. Okay, so before going into this video, you don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and let's go to x.thunkable.com and you should sign in with your account. And what we can do next means yes, I need to sign in with a Google account, and I can create my new project, and my project name is going to be Chat App, and the category is like education itself, and I need to create this project. Okay, the project is creating. At this time, we need to open the firebase.google.com. Okay. This is a real-time database platform by Google, so that I can select my account and click get started. So let I can create a new project here. So I can name my project as chat apps chat, chat app. Click continue and create new project. So at while creating, let's go to the thunkable. Let's start the designing part. Okay. So there are three kind of screens here. One is flash screen. Another one is joining or creating the room screen, chat room screen, and third one is chatting screen. Okay. So first of all, we can design the flash screen part. So screen one is known as flash screen. So here I'm going to add a label which is known as chat app. Chat app. The label size is going to be 25 and over. Then I need to go to screen two. So in screen two, so user is going to be connect with the chat room. Okay. So inside this chat room only people are going to chat. Okay. So this is the text input. So the hint is going to be uh, what's the name? Okay, username. Username is going to be the hint of this text input. Then I can duplicate the same text input, and I can keep its int has uh, room key. It's known as room key. So belong to that room key only people are going to chat into this room. Chat. Okay. So after this text input, I'm going to add a button. So that button text is going to be chat. Chat. So the here the width is going to be absolute size and width is going to be 200. Yes, 200 is good. So I'm going to add on label top of the text input and all top of the screen. So the text inputs, sorry, labels text is going to be chat app. Also the size is going to be 25. Yes. And what I'm going to do next means I'm going to keep the screen's vertical alignments as space around. So let's design the screen three chat screen. So here we need to add a row here. Okay, inside this row, I'm going to add one button here. Okay, so I need to add a button. So the button name is going to be end. Okay, so by clicking this end button, I user going to leave this row. So this text color is going to be white and background color is going to be red. Okay, and after this I'm going to add one label here. Okay, before that adding that label, I'm going to add another one label that is having a text something like that. Also, the text color is going to be white. And I'm going to add another one label here. So this is label 4. So here we are going to display the room key. Room key is going to display here. So all our inside this row is horizontal alignment is left. Okay. So after this row, so the row's height is going to be fit content. Okay. And I'm going to add one list viewer after this row. Okay. It's adding, I think so. Let's add again. Yes, but this should the row should be top of the screen, and this is a list viewer where we are going to show that our chats, and after showing the list viewer we are going to add another row here for inputting the message. Okay, so inside this row, first of all I'm going to add text input. Okay, so this inside this row too I'm going to add a text input, and I'm going to add another one button. Okay, so the height of this row is going to be fit content, and the hint of this text input is going to be type message. Type message, and the button name is going text is going to be send button. Yes, we have successfully I have completed the designing part. So let's go to the block part. Before that, we are going to add an alert component. Okay, alert component. The invisible component. The title is going to be. The title is going to be warning. Warning, and the message is going to be as make sure that you have entered fully. Entered fully. So the confirm place is going to be okay, and the cancel button is going to be nothing. It's empty. And we are going to add another one component, invisible component, that is real-time database. Yeah. Yes, real-time database, real-time DB. So here only we are going to link to our Firebase. So go to Firebase settings. So here we can get the Firebase is API key and database URL. So let's go to the Firebase console. So our project was created. So let's click continue, and we are going to our project and click this web, and we need to register our app. So our app name is chat app. Register. Yes, then we can get some API key of our app and database URL. Okay, of our database. Sorry. So API key, we are going to copy this API key, and we can go to thunkable and paste it here on the API key section. And we need to copy the database URL, but we can't able to find the database URL here. So if you can't able to find me, you can go to the console, and you can go to the real-time database here. That time you can click the create database. So next, enable. So it's creating the project. Sorry. So let's copy this your database URL. So this is a database URL. So here, so let's paste the database URL here. Yes, we have successfully completed our setting up our Firebase, and let's go to our block section as blocks. So whenever user was open this screen one means whenever user was open the app, that time it is going to wait for some seconds, like 3 seconds, and it's going to navigate the screen to screen 2. Okay, in the screen one, whatever we are going to do means we are going to create one variable called uh, username, username, and it is going to be null. Okay, username's variable is it's a app variable, it's a temporary variable. So and another one variable app variable that is room key. Maybe I can give room key and it's null. And I can add another one app variable. It's known as chats. So chats we are displaying as in a list, right? So it is going to create a new rows for each chat. For that we are going to use from the list section. So which is empty list. Okay, this empty list. And what we are going to do next means let's go to the screen two. Whenever user click this button two, that time it needs to check the two things. Okay, for that we are whenever user was click this button one that time, so we are going to set this app variable username and this room key is going to be that text input one is for username and text input two is going to be for room key. Okay, and after setting to this variable we are going to check that check is equal check if is equal to null, which is equal to null means, so again we can go to logic and we can get the unblock if two things like a username and the room key is null, that both of our text inputs is null means that time we need to show the alert. Okay, that we have created to show that alert. If else if both are not is equal to null means we can just continue with going to the screen 3. Okay, screen 3. Okay, so then what we are going to do means we are going to screen 3 and whenever the screen 3 was opened that time, oh it's reloading now. Yes, let's go to screen 3 and whenever the screen 3 was open, that I mean the chat screen was open that time, it is going to we can go to the real-time db1, so it is going to add listener. Okay, so, I mean it is going to check the it's going to watch the chat of the user. Okay, so the key of the room is going chat room is going to be the variable which room key which the user was entered. Okay, what we are going to do next means our label, so which is going to display the room key is label id is label 4. Let's go to the blocks and the label 4 is going to be after add listener, the level 4 is going to be the room key. Okay, it's going to be room key, and whenever user was click this send button, that's button 3. I think it's button 3 only. Yes, button 3, and whenever user was click this button 3, that time it is going to save the data on the real-time database. Okay, it's going to save the data on the real-time database. We are going to get the join here, join block. So let's increase the item as 3 items. So let's keep as and it's going to display the username. Then only it is going to display chat of the user. That is text input. Okay. Yes. The value is sorry. The value only is going to be this block, and the room key that is going to save in it's going to be room key only. Okay. Then what we are going to do next means we are going to whenever the data was changed, whenever that real-time data was changed, that time it is going to display on the list. Okay, for that we are going to set this list, and we are going to set this chat's going to be value, and we are going to go to the list, and we can get the in list insert at last like that one block. And we are going to in list is going to be the variable chats, and that is going to insert at first. Okay, in can be lost, and the value is going to be okay. And okay, I've done one mistake. That is, I should not keep this variable as value. So it is going to be into the in list. It's going to be the app variable chats, and in insert at last. It's you can also keep at first or last. So I'm going to keep as last itself, and I'm going to keep this. I'm going to delete this app variable class on that ABC place. I'm going to keep this value on that. Okay. So this is a chats list. Okay, into this chat list, we are going to at last we are going to add as value our chat value. So it's happening here. Okay, and we are going to display that chats on the list viewer, right? So the text items are going to be chats. So they were just storing the chats. And next, whenever user was click this button, that end button, that is known as like is button 2. So button 2 is whenever you suppose click this button 2, that time it is going to leave the room. For that, what we are going to do means first of all we are going to remove the listener. Okay, remove listener. Like while it was connecting, it is going to add listener. It is going to watch that room, but while in leaving the room, that time it is going to remove the listener. Okay, so the same what we need to do. What I done in the add listener place. So the remove listener key is going to be the room key, and we need to navigate to screen 1. So the screen 1 navigates to the screen 2. So we have successfully done by creating our app. Let's test our app. Okay, so I'm going to test by app. So I'm going to test in web view. So you can get a clear idea, I think so. So it's in testing. As now we can test our app. Let's click live test, and let's preview as a web app. So same we can duplicate again. So it is going to say the flash screen, and it's opening the screen to chat screen, so that I can duplicate it and I can see in the another one screen. See, this is a chat. It is also one web app. This is also one web app. Okay. So in the first web app, I'm going to insert my name as Jai, and the room key is going to be 567 567 DF. And in another one app, I'm going to give my name as Rishi, and room key is going to be same room key what I entered here. That is 567 DF. 567 DF. So let's start chat first from Jay. So let's click start chat, and let's click start chat from Rishi. Yes, both are connected with the same 567 DF room key, and I can send hi from Rishi. Okay, so Jay. So it's not sending. Now I click send. That time it should send, but why it's not sending, I don't know. So let's send hi from Rishi's side. So it's send. So let's test again. Yes, friends. Now our app is working successfully. Why? Because I have created my new project with Firebase, another new project in Firebase, and I have linked with my app, chat app, and also the account that I was using. Now it's new, another one account that I was not I was using in the previous app. I mean the previous database. So let's test our app. So this is known as Jai, and this is known as Rushi. And in one of the app, I'm going to give as a room key as GHT5646 and save room keys and copy in based on the Rishi's. Okay, I'm going to start for Jai and it was connected. Now I will start for Rishi. It was connected. So let's click hi. I mean, let's send hi from Rishi. So from Jai side, yes, it's sent hi from Jai side, and we can also receive from Rishi's side. Okay, uh, and also we can see in our database that our room key with our message. That means we have successfully created our own chat app. So let's go to Rishi's screen and we can send as I am Rishi. Yes, it was sent hi Rishi. Also with the name Rishi. Also while Jay is sending that hi, we can send that we can see that Jay name. Okay, that means we have successfully created our app. So if we click end means we can navigate the app screen, chat app screen, and I mean flash screen, and we can get to the start chat screen. That means we have successfully created our app, chat app. So thank you for watching this video.